Okay, kiddos, today we're going to talk about expanded form. So here I have my number, 32,569. And when I want to write it in expanded form, I have to break it up into its individual place values. So this would actually be written as, I have 30,000, that's here, 30,000, plus, this is the thousands place, so I have 2,000. And I go to here, that's the hundreds place, so I have 500. This is my tens place, so I have 60. Plus, that's my ones place, so I have 9. Okay, let's do another one. 57,941. Whoops, that's not how we write that. 941. Again, we're doing expanded form. So this is my 10,000s place, my thousands place, my hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 10,000. I have 5 10,000s, so that means I have 50,000. Plus, I have a 7 in my thousands place. That gives me 7,000. Plus, I have a 9 in my hundreds place, so I have 900. Plus, a 4 in my tens place is 40. Plus, a 1 in my ones place is 1. This is expanded form. Please complete the problems on this page.